Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Okta FastPass. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to login.okta.com. And once you're in here, just go ahead and sign in with your account. Okay, so for example, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my admin account right here. So I'm just going to click on it. And then once done, as you can see here at the top, you have the option to sign in with Okta FastPass. So basically, if you don't have it, just click on it. Okay, now it says here, it needs us to open the Okta Verify. So just click on it right here at the top. And then once done, the Okta Verify right here for your Windows computer or your Apple device should be downloaded. As you can see here, it's already opened because I already downloaded the Okta Verify app on my computer. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Get Started. Next, it says here, check your browser. So just go ahead and follow the simple prompts, hit on next, just basically sign in. Okay, use the code from your Okta Verify app from here, which in my case is 281014. That hit on verify. And then of course the password, click on verify, and the pop-up will show again. Down here says enable Windows alert confirmation. You can go ahead and hit on skip. It says here adding account. Just wait for it. And it says here account added. Now it says here your identity has been verified. Just click on done. Or as you can see here, it's bugging. Just go ahead and close this one. And once done, you're good to go. Okay. And when you go ahead and check it out, right here in your profile, under settings, this is the Okta Verify from my Windows computer. And when you go ahead over to admin settings right here and select verify with something else, all right, as you can see here, use Okta FastPass as your verification process. Okay, just click on select. And then once done at the top, just tap on always allow this account. Okay, so that next time it will just automatically pop up. Tap on Okta Verify. And then once done, just tap on yes, it's me. And there you have it. Okay. And if you want to check it out, right here under security and authenticators, Okta FastPass should be available. Okay. Like so. That is it. That is how you enable Okta FastPass. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.